Your mother say anything to you about how she feel? Me ask her but she not talk to me, she still vexed with me. She alright daddy. She just have a flu. That's it. But it's been going on for weeks now. Me no feel like I want flu. Me no know why she no want to talk to me, Anthony. Me care. Why she act like say me no care about her? Me love her. Daddy, you know my mistake, she stubborn. Besides, you forget where though. Me make one mistake, she must can forgive me. Me and her there for so long. She must can look past this now, man. Daddy, you breed the girl. Me know. And Andy already not deal with me neither. Me feel a way about everything. Me not lie. Me know that you can't try talk to her for me, Anthony. What you exactly want me to say to her? That can't undo what you do, daddy. That really serious. Months now. She not even can't look me in my face. She not even want sleep in the same room with me. I feel a way about it. Just give her space. That's all you can do right now. That's the only thing I feel like you can do. Mommy, dinner soon done, alright? How you feeling?
I'm alright, Anthony.
Daddy, I wonder what's going on with you.
Like him, Mrs. Bomey. He's the cause of all this stress that I've been having for the past couple years anyways. He has digged this grave faster for me than anyone else has ever. You don't even know how much him hurt me. How can you possibly say you love someone and disrespect them in this way? Not only has he hurt me, him hurt him own child. I don't blame Andy if he never wants to speak to him again. I would never talk to him again.
Mommy, I just don't feel like we can keep that secret from everybody. You know what I'm tell? Nobody bought it and it get to me.
Honestly, the only people I concern about is you, Andy, and Junior. I don't business about nobody else. I don't want you to let them know because I don't want them to stress. Junior has to prepare for college, and Andy's already going through too much. Anthony, please, don't tell anybody about this. I just don't want to feel like a burden to anyone.
Oh, Mommy, if I'm gonna tell them I go pre me when everything happen.
It's a secret you should keep to your grave, Anthony. I'm really proud of the man you've become. I won't lie, at first I was really disappointed with you because of you having so many children, but you're a great father to them. And you try, and you try, and you try. But please, find someone to love and don't hurt them, alright? Don't be like your father.
After everything I've been through, Mommy, I can't promise that. But me, I could just go finish it, alright?
Yes, son, go do that. I'm gonna go take a bath.
Hi Olivia, what are you doing here? I've been trying to call Mom all day but she won't answer her phone and I'm kind of worried about her. I don't know what to do. And she hasn't been answering any of my texts. Do you think something happened?
Olivia, I feel like everything alright with her.
Are you sure? I mean, she usually answers my calls and my texts. But me and her got into an argument the last time I saw her. And she hasn't been contacting me, so I think she's mad at me.
Olivia, me have to go up on the road with Junior. Listen.
Can I come with you? I told Dad I was gonna go visit Mom, but I don't know what to do. What does this say, Oliver? Look at the card again.
So she not answer Olivia's phone calls and text messages. You know, find that weird. I mean, she is our favorite. Maybe she find one new man. Maybe she'll breed again, who knows?
Even if that are gone, she won't avoid Olivia.
Hi, Anthony.
Well, go on, pretty girl. What you doing? Everything alright with you? How's your mother?
I'm fine.
Before you get big, you look just like Octavia. She alright? What should I deal with? I hope everything good with her. Me and her don't really talk anymore, but I just want to know, say, she alright, if you understand what I try to say.
I haven't heard from her in a couple of weeks.
Really? Did you go check on her? How many weeks exactly haven't heard from her?
It's been like 3 weeks now. She hasn't picked up her phone or answered her text message.
Daddy, why you so concerned about her for? You forget say when you the day you're sick, she not even come look for you even one time? And she know what happened to you? You, Bill, no talk to me like that. You can't serious, Daddy. You really still have feelings for her after everything what happened? June, our kids them the right yes so. Have some compassion, no? How you expect me to have compassion for a woman who do that to her daughter? And how she treat you over the years them? What wrong with you? Me are the parent and you are the child. Don't come tell me what to do or how me to live, alright? How many times, Daddy? How many times you gonna make this woman hurt you? When it take a stop? What's so special about her? Why you so connected to her? Just Bill, alright? Me not have to explain myself to you. Sorry I'm late. I'm glad you came here to meet up with me, Annie. So did you talk to Anthony about meeting me?
Yes, I did. Unlike all the circumstances with you not being able to cross the border to Canada, he said he'll come here to come look for you.
Are you serious? I'm finally gonna get to meet my dad. This is so. I waited for this day all my life. Like it's been a miracle. I mean, getting to meet all of you. I'm so happy.
Alright, calm down. He's not gonna be coming anytime soon though. He has some stuff he has to deal with first, and then he'll come here to come look for you. And you'll meet your other brother as well.
Nice.
Anthony, what wrong with you? What up on your mind? You think about mommy again, don't it?
Yeah, no. I just not have it in me for eat your mother. No matter what she do to me, I just can never eat her. And we know it's something most people won't understand. But me and your mother, we have a bond where most people just never gonna understand. At one point, she was the only family I had.
I'm not gonna lie, I've been worrying about her as well.
I don't know, something just don't feel right.
Me and you could go check on her if you wanted to.
Yeah, just the two away. I don't want nobody else to know. Honey, you alright? You want me to go make you some peppermint tea with some honey, your favorite?
No, I would like you to leave me alone and don't talk to me. I don't even like the sight of you. You sick my stomach bad.
You can't be mad at me for the rest of your life. Please.
I will never have any respect for you, especially what you did to me. Especially what you did to Andy. You're disgusting. You can't even call yourself a man. Don't talk to me. Dirty crosses.